Hello friends! Welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today we are talking about splendid shoulder tattoos for adorable men. Tattoos that are stylish, powerful, meaningful, and perfectly suited for men who want to look confident and attractive. The shoulder is one of the best placements for men. Why? Because it gives a natural round shape that enhances muscle definition. Whether you are slim, athletic, or muscular, a shoulder tattoo always improves your personality and body structure. Let's explore some splendid ideas that can completely transform your look. Powerful lion shoulder tattoo. A roaring lion on the shoulder represents leadership, courage, and dominance. When placed properly with shading, it gives a 3D muscular effect. It's bold, royal, and very masculine. Tribal shoulder wrap. Tribal tattoos follow the natural curve of the shoulder. Thick black patterns make the shoulder look broader and stronger. Polynesian and Maori-inspired designs are especially popular among men. Eagle with spread wings. An eagle stretching from shoulder to upper arm symbolizes freedom and vision. This design looks amazing when done in realistic style. Dragon shoulder tattoo. A dragon wrapping around the shoulder shows power and protection. With detailed scales and shading, it becomes a masterpiece. Gladiator or warrior portrait. Warrior tattoos symbolize bravery and never giving up. A realistic Spartan helmet or gladiator face on the shoulder looks strong and fearless. Mandala shoulder cap. If you want something stylish yet elegant, mandala designs fit perfectly on the round shoulder cap. It gives a balanced and artistic look. 7th, script or name tattoos. Shoulder is also perfect for meaningful names. Mom, Dad, wife, children, or powerful one-word tattoos like fearless, believe, or strength. Clock with roses. This design represents time, memories, and life journey. Adding roses makes it emotional and beautiful. Mythological symbols. Trishul, lem, cross, or other spiritual symbols reflect belief and protection. These designs give a divine energy. Half sleeve extension. Many men start with a shoulder tattoo and later extend it into a half sleeve. Lions, dragons, tribal, or biomechanical designs work perfectly for this. Now let's talk about why shoulder tattoos look splendid on men. Heavy check mark, they highlight muscle shape. Heavy check mark, less painful compared to ribs or spine. Heavy check mark, easy to hide under shirt. Heavy check mark, perfect for beginners. Heavy check mark, easy to expand into chest or arm. Before getting a shoulder tattoo, remember 3 important tips. Choose a design that matches your personality, not just trend. Make sure size and placement fit your shoulder curve. Always choose a professional tattoo studio with hygiene and experience. A splendid shoulder tattoo is not just ink. It is confidence. It is identity. It is your silent introduction before you speak. When someone sees a well-designed shoulder tattoo, they immediately feel your presence. That's the power of good tattoo placement and proper detailing. Men who choose shoulder tattoos usually want something bold but classy, something strong but meaningful. And that's exactly why shoulder tattoos remain one of the top choices worldwide. At Swastik Tattoo Studio, we guide you with proper design consultation, body flow placement, and high-quality inks to give you long-lasting results. If you are planning your next tattoo, consider your story, your strength, and your style, and let your shoulder speak it proudly. If you enjoyed this video, comment your favorite shoulder tattoo style, like this video, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo ideas, tutorials, and professional tips. Stay confident, stay creative, and wear your art with pride. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God. the older dude, crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.